Okay, my name is Jay Atluski with Desert Home Premier Realty, and in this video I'm going to just kind of go over, lightly touch the types of loans. If you're going to get a mortgage for a home, it's best to talk to one of our local lenders here that understand the Arizona lending laws, understand our contracts and the documentation that's required. I'll just say real quickly that a lot of people out of state come in, they want to use their credit union or a big bank back in Minnesota, New York, Washington, wherever they're coming from. The problem with that is those banks don't understand our lending laws and our documentation. Our contract states there is an official Arizona Realtor pre-qualification form, which that's legal binding. We do not get a choice. So sometimes people come in with a letter and they say, this is all I got. We can't write an offer until we actually get your bank to do that. There's also a loan status update that the contract requires the buyer to supply within 10 days of acceptance. Again, an outside state bank may look at it and go, I don't know what to do, or I don't want to do it. Well, contractually you have to do it, or the contract can be canceled. So be careful on who you use. So as far as the types of loans, boy, there's a lot of them. So we're going to start with the two that I guess are most popular, the FHA, which is your 3.5% down loan, and then also your conventional loan, which is a 20% down, so you don't have mortgage insurance. In between that, there's 5, 10%, 15% loans. Those are all going to have that additional monthly fee for the mortgage insurance, and that can be pretty hefty. I mean, say a $300,000 home, that can be over $100 a month just in the mortgage insurance. There's also some programs for first-time buyers, lower income, and actually middle income. Some of these grants, so if a couple of cities are offering 5% grant, meaning that they will give you 5% of the purchase price to put into the home, as a down payment, you get into the home. If you keep the home for X number of years, some are 3, some are 5, then that grant is forgiven. So that could be a good option for you. If you're a veteran, a VA loan is certainly a way to go. Probably one of the hardest loans to actually get a listing agent to accept. If a VA buyer is going up against anybody else, that VA buyer is going to lose, just because most listing agents understand that the lending restrictions on a zero-down VA loan are much stricter. Appraisals come in typically lower, which is why a listing agent wouldn't like it, because if it's, say, $200,000 home, truly is, it may come in 196 or 7. Now the seller's either going to come down from what they wanted, or the buyer's got to come up, or something in between. So VA is an option. We do quite a few of them, especially with Luke Air Force Base down the street. We get a lot of servicemen and retirees. Other loans, that's really probably the most popular ones. So I'll leave you with that. If you have specific questions, just reach out to myself or the agent you're working with us. We can put you in touch with some great lenders here in Arizona, and they can answer all the detailed questions you'd have. Thanks for watching.